Hey guys, it's me Rahul and today I'm gonna show you how to change your default browser on Windows 11. So let's get started. First you need to go to settings. Then from here there is an option called apps on the left side, so just click on that and then you click on default apps. So from here you can basically search for the application. So I want to change my web browser, right? I wanted to change it to, let's say I want to change to Brave. So I'm gonna search up Brave, then I'm gonna open it, and which will basically open up all the default file types or link types which this application supports. So I want basically all these to be changed to Brave, right? So first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make Brave, so there will be a pop-up for some sets of application, like make whatever application your default browser or default music player or whatever it is, right? So just click on set default, but that alone does not change it. That will only change it for only few of it, like HTML and HTML. But other than that, you basically have to change it all by yourself. So for PDF, I'm gonna choose Brave, click OK. SHTML, I'm gonna go for Brave again. SVG, click on Brave. So like that, you have to do it for pretty much all the extensions or format types. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it, how you change your default browser in Windows 11. Thank you.